Most people are terrified of being forgotten. They post every meal, every workout, and every minor thought, desperate for a like to prove they still exist. But the elite crave the dark. They know that you cannot build a masterpiece in a room full of noise. If you are tired of being average, if you are tired of being overlooked, it is time for you to become a ghost. 6 months, no announcements, no social media updates, no validation, just you, the work, and the silence. Here is the blueprint for the ghost phase. The world doesn't need to know what you're doing until it's already done. When you announce your goals, your brain receives a cheap hit of dopamine as if you've already achieved them. You feel successful without lifting a finger. The ghost phase kills that ego. It forces you to face the one person you've been avoiding, yourself. Phase 1 is isolation. You must ruthlessly audit your circle. If they don't help you grow, they are helping you rot. In the dark, you don't need friends who celebrate your stagnation. You need discipline that celebrates your progress. To survive the ghost phase, you need 3 non-negotiables. First, physical reconstruction. Your body is the vessel for your mind. If you cannot control what you eat or how you move, you cannot control your destiny. Second, skill acquisition. Choose one high-leverage skill, something the world is willing to pay for. Spend the hours everyone else spends sleeping, mastering it. Third, digital detox. You are a consumer. That is why you are losing. In the ghost phase, you stop scrolling and start creating. You trade 3 hours of entertainment for 3 hours of obsession. 6 months will pass whether you do the work or not. But at the end of those 180 days, you will emerge. You won't have to tell people you've changed. They will see it in your eyes. They will hear it in the way you speak. Your results will do the talking for you. The ghost phase isn't for everyone. Most will quit by week 3, but if you're still listening, you're already different. Type day 1 in the comments if you are starting your ghost phase today. Subscribe to join the 1%. Let the world forget you for a while. It's time to build.